In the virtual private data center, you have the ability to create different security zones. Key to that is orchestrating the creation of interfaces on the enterprise firewall. Let me show you how we create different DMZs or security zones within the virtual data center. Logging into the nVisage platform, taking me to the dashboard, clicking through to the network topology page. So you have a requirement for an application that needs an additional DMZ or security zone. It's as simple as clicking on the Add Network button. I'm going to call this DMZ2, and I'm going to give it an IP address range of 1042.43.0, and I've also decided I need to duplicate this network in our backup data center. This application has disaster recovery requirements. Creating the network, I can also say this network, I want it to be either a high metric or a low metric. That means if it's a high metric, it will be not preferred in the rest of the network. Low metric means it will be the preferred network. I also need to connect it to the firewall as it is a DMZ. The firewall will have an IP address of 10.42.43.1. Click the Add button and the platform will create the DMZ2 network in both data centers at the same time. You can also see it's applied a high metric on the backup data center automatically and a low metric on the primary data center. I've now got the ability to create virtual machines that need to reside on this DMZ network, and I can then put rules in this firewall to allow internet connectivity through to those particular virtual machines. So now you can see how we create different security zones or DMZs within the virtual private data center.